This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the reset now, so back up first. iCloud or Finder saves your photos and settings. Turn off Find My iPhone because activation lock prevents resets. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My and disable it. Sign out of iCloud so the Apple ID is removed. This unlinks iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime. Once that's done, charge the phone above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so the device can complete the restore without interruptions. Now you'll perform the erase. Open Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content and settings. Enter your device passcode to authorize the action. When asked, provide the Apple ID password to remove activation lock. This is the why. Without the Apple ID password, the phone stays tied to the account. The phone will restart and show a progress bar. Make sure it stays connected to power and Wi-Fi so the process completes cleanly. Once the erase finishes, the iPhone boots to the Hello screen. Set it up as new or restore your backup. If you intend to remove the Apple ID permanently, skip signing into iCloud during setup. If activation lock still appears, you must sign in with the original Apple ID or ask the previous owner to remove the device from their account. This prevents unauthorized use. If things go wrong, sign into iCloud.com to remove the device or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.